So meanwhile, for your own safety, please remain behind the yellow safety line. We're trying to retrieve an item from the track. So the train has stopped at the arrival exit. So in the meantime, please stay behind the yellow safety line. For your own
Please
safety.
don't distract. Just keep walking.
Just repeating, the train has stopped at the arrival exit of platform 5. So we're trying to retrieve an item from the track. So please stay behind the yellow safety line. Attention customers, train is stopped at the arrival end of platform 5. So we're trying to retrieve an item from the track, so please stay behind the yellow line until we finish the process. For your own safety, please remain behind the yellow safety line at all times. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What a waste of time.
Pardon?
What a waste of time.
Yeah, 1 second. Rasmi is very intoxicated and he dropped his phone.
Who cares? Then leave it there, yeah?
Yeah, but he was showing impatient behavior.